Hi friends, welcome to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we are at Shamshabad near Mamidpalli. This is a HMDA project. Approaching road is 200 feet. You can see this. It's a one-way road from this side and that side. It's a very nice locality. This is the backside of Shamshabad Airport. This is a 45 acres premium gated community open plots project. In this project, 60 feet, 40 feet, 30 feet, 33 feet roads are there, and also like underground drainage, underground electricity is also there. So for this 45 acres, compound wall will be also there, and beautiful parks uh, available in this venture, and public utility spaces and other very important things are also as per HMDA norms they are constructing. See here, road work is also going on. This is a 60 feet entrance road into the project, and you can see all the work is in progress. So bank loan facility is also available, and per square yard 30,000, and it's very near to Shamshabad town also, like within 5 minutes you can reach to Shamshabad town and Shamshabad airport, and very near to RTC bus stand and metro stations, and also international airport. So let's see the location highlights of this project. This is a 200 feet road facing venture, only 5 minutes drive from airport entry circle, then 10 minutes drive from Bengaluru highway. Also, outer ring road exit 16 we can reach within 10 minutes, and 10 minutes drive from Shamshabad town, and 10 minutes drive from Srisailam highway, and also we can reach airport east entry gate within 10 minutes from this location, and Falaknama Palace Hotel you can reach 15 minutes only. Gachibowli High Tech City we can reach within 30 minutes from this location, and also nearby Hardware Park, Gems Park and Fab City. We can also reach Pharmacity by using this road, and other nearby railway stations Umdanagar MMTS, Budvel MMTS, Aramgar MMTS also very near to this location, and RTC bus stands Shamshabad and also Aramgar we can easily connect to any RTC bus stands, and MGB is also very near, and international airport anyhow this is available in Shamshabad itself. Now let's see the project highlights of this project. This is the HMDA layout and 45 acres premium gated community and pollution free environment, 200 feet internal ring road to airport road, underground drainage, underground electricity, water tap connection to each plot, and 60, 40, 33 and 30 feet wide roads internally, and all around compound wall, parks and social infra areas is also available. Clubhouse facility is also there. For every plot, water harvest pits and avenue plantation, and each plot Vastu compliant, and overhead water tank is also there. 24 by 7 security will be provided to this project. For more details you can contact on the below number. So once again I am repeating, this is a 45 acres mega project, HMDA approved project. Spot registration will be done. Bank loan facility is also available. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Telangana Properties Hub. Please like and share this video. Thank you so much.